Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Welcome back. So we got some more goodies today from Glamnetic. Remember, as always, if you like these, make sure you shop through my link and use coupon code CHELTSIE15 and you can get 15% off select items. Okay, this month they sent me some new nails to try out. So this is what the first one looks like. Super cute. And these are a different shape. Last time the ones I tried were really long. Love the way they look, but I just can't. Like, it's just too much. These are short round ones, which I think might work better. This is called Gold Truffle. Then we got these super, you can't even see it on camera. They're like iridescent clear and it's called Stardust. And then these are called Cloud 9 and they're like almost like a super light pink. So honestly, I think I'm feeling these. Like, I really want to try these short round ones out. Yeah, so I think we're gonna go with these today. I want to try these out. So what you get in your box. All right, this is what you get in your little box. You get an alcohol pad to prep your nails. You get various sizes of nails, which is good. You get a little cuticle stick, a file, and the nail glue. First things first, I'm gonna pick out all my sizes. So you just match up the nail and see which one fits the best on your nail without going over your nail at all. It should all be fully on your nail, not on your skin at all. They also have numbers. So like this is number 1, so you know what size to look for your other nail. Okay, so I went ahead and got all of my sizes picked out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and push back my cuticles because I haven't done it in a while and it needs to be done. So went ahead and trimmed my nails and pushed my cuticles back and all that good stuff. So let's take our little alcohol pad. And y'all, it's so easy to do these nails. They take no time at all. So you just clean them with the alcohol pad just to make sure there's no holes or anything on your nails so that they adhere really well. We've already got our little glue in here. They also sell, I haven't tried them, but I want to. They sell these glue strips, so you don't have to mess with glue. You just put the strip on and stick the nail to it, which I think would be easier. Come on. I can never, like, I'm so weak. I have no grip. I can't do it. I need something. How can I open this? There we go. Use my teeth. So basically all you do is take a little bit of glue, put it on the inside of the nail, put some on your actual nail, and you just press it on there and let it dry for a couple seconds. By the way, if y'all like this makeup look, I will pop the link down in the description below, as well as the link to shop these nails too. All right, so there's one on, just like that easy. I'm gonna go ahead, pop the rest on, and then come back and show y'all the finished result. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all the finished result before I file them. I haven't filed them and I'm trying to decide. So this is what they look like, just applied without any filing. I haven't changed the shape or anything. I'm debating whether or not I want to file them to make them a little more square because I like a little bit of a squared nail. This is what they look like applied as is. Of course, if you love these, go grab them. But I'm gonna file them and then I'll come back and show y'all the finished result. Okay, so I'm back. I filed them square and y'all, I love them so much better. I'm just a square nail kind of girl. They're shorter, they're not long. I feel like I can still do stuff. Look how pretty. Like, they're so cute. It looks like I went and got my nails professionally done. Like, you would not know that these things are press-on nails, glue-on nails, and look how stinking cute. It took me, I want to say, maybe 15 minutes at the most to do these, and they're so stinking cute. Love. I'm in the mood for fall. I feel like fall is pretty much here. I'm getting ready to decorate for fall, and these are kind of a good transition into fall. Love. I love them so much. So y'all go grab some, use my code CHELTSIE15 and get 15% off. That is it for today's video. I hope y'all liked it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and y'all don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.